Hello children, welcome to our English class. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 13 of your textbook, is, are, am plus ing. Now that we know how to use is, are, am, let us find out more about these words. Let's begin with our class. Remember children, is, are known as being word. It also helps other verbs, hence they are known as helping verb. Here I want to tell you something. Doing words or action word which we read in chapter 11 are known as verb. Doing words and verbs are same. Remember children, doing words and verbs are same. Now we will learn why do we add ing to doing word. We add ing to doing word to show what a person, animal or thing is doing right now. For example, Aman is eating an ice cream. Why we have added ing to eat? Because Aman is eating ice cream means this action is taking place right now. We add ing with verb when an action is continuous. In the same way, he is running. The action is happening right now and it's continuing. So we added ing to show it is a continuous action. Meena is walking. Walk is to walking. It means she is walking right now. When we use is, am, are, any of these with another verb, we should add ing to second verb. Does this sound confusing? It is not. Look at this example. I am eating an ice cream. So here we had added am. We have added am with the second verb, that is eat. So we will add ing with our second verb. This is the second verb, so we will add ing with our second verb eat. So here it becomes eating. In the same way, he is climbing a mountain. Is plus climb, and we are adding ing with the second verb, that is climb, which becomes climbing. They are walking to school. She is dancing. Dance to dancing. If doing words or verb end with e, so what happened? We remove that e before adding ing to make it continuous. Here are some common examples. Make to making. I am making a toy. Make is changed to making. Ride. We have removed the last letter e and added ing. Ride becomes riding. Hope becomes hoping. Tune becomes tuning, and so on. Sometimes we double the last letter before adding ing. For example, win to winning. Here we have doubled the last letter, that is n. winning. Here we have doubled the last letter n. When we add ing to the word with a short vowel ending with one consonant, we have to double the last letter. Hop becomes hopping. Beg becomes begging. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.